Wait,
Yes.
beg to mention item number 18, my lord. I've
18.
been newly engaged in this case. I
Okay.
have to open the paper book, my lord.
Why not 19 also?
19 also, my lord, because 19, I will come to 19, my lord.
Ha. When do you want?
18, my lord, when HDM is directed to furnish a paper book to be copied. There's an extra copy. I will
Okay.
take up.
Mr. Deepangi, learned counsel, submits that he has been engaged in this matter recently, and he has not received the paper book. Mr. Requested to furnish the copy of the paper book to the learned counsel, Mr. Deepangi, within 2 days. No, within 3 days.
Right.
Mr. Who appears?
Miss Jeannie, she's not here.
MS TG, done it additional PP. No, then in that case, forget it. This after 3 weeks.
I
19?
19, my lord, in fact, by order dated 23/12/2020, sentence was for 3 years.
Hmm.
It's over now. I would seek instructions. He must have been released by now, and whether he wants to pursue the case there. Must have been-
Even if he's released, I
Yeah.
think.
Yes, he can, he can.
Anyway,
I've seen the evidence, so maybe, I don't know whether you would like to pursue.
Mr. Deepangi, learned counsel for the, but in item 19, submits that the sentence in this criminal appeal is of 3 years.
3 years.
Mr. By now, the 3 years period is over, for which he would like to take, would like to obtain instruction from the appellant.
Appellant.
Therefore, he prays for listing the matter after 3 weeks.
Right.
Prayer is allowed, list after 2
Public.
weeks.
Time for
Mr. L. Hage, learned additional PP is present.
Obligations.
Madam, I beg to mention item number 8, madam. Madam, may I pray that can this matter be taken up on 15 May next week?
Why?
Madam,
Why next week?
this can be taken up as for convenient matters.
Or after 2 weeks?
Madam,
Anyway, on the prayer, Mr. T. Tagum, the counsel for the appellant, list this matter after on 15,
on 15 May.
15/05/2020.
Very appreciate.
Yes.
File one bail application, regular bail application.
Hmm.
439. So this
Monday.
only for issuing of the notice.
Therefore, Monday.
May I?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21. The senior counsel could not make it due to some personal difficulty. Finally, list this matter after 2 weeks. The consent from the other party has been taken.
Mr.
I am M. Ube on behalf of.
N.U.B. learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. M. Patil, learned senior counsel for the petitioner, for the appellant, submits that his senior Mr. M. Patil is having personal difficulty today, for which he prays for listing the matter after 3 weeks. 2 weeks. List of
Your
prayers
Lordship,
allowed, list this matter after 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, there is another matter. Item number 22.
Hmm.
The leading counsel is out of station. Kindly list this matter after 2 weeks. And
On the prayer of Mr. N.U.B. T.U. N.U.B.
M. Ube.
M.U.B. learned counsel. Item 22,
Your Lordship.
Praise that, submits that the leading counsel, Mr. T. Tang,
Yes.
learned counsel for the appellant, is out of station, for which he prays for listing the matter after 3 weeks. Praise the Lord, list this matter after 3 weeks.
There's a connected matter, criminal petition 42 of 2022, which is related to the.
The list after 2 weeks, along with criminal appeal,
Yes.
number so and so, number 42 of 2022.
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah,
Next
my
up,
lord.
please hurry up.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 20. On,
Yes.
On behalf of N. Ratan for the petitioner,
On the prayer of Mr.
N. Ratan,
Your name?
Timite, my lord.
Name is a learned counsel for the, no, in this case, list this matter before any other appropriates without me. Huh?
Much obliged.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14.
Huh?
We have filed our affidavit,
14,
yes, in respect of service completion report.
14.
Yes,
What do you want?
this matter may be listed on admission column.
Your Lordship, perhaps the LCR has not been received.
We'll see. Order stage, be there. You're listed for orders. We'll see.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9.
9,
Yes, Lordship.
9.
9.
On the, what do you want?
Conducting counsel is a
On the ground,
Guwahati-
the
Guwahati-based
conducting
advocate.
counsel, Mr. P.D. Nair.
due to
is indisposed of
uncircumstances,
for which
he
he-
is not available
for
today.
which Mr.
Deet Ali.
So-and-so prays for listing the matter after 3 weeks. List,
Deeply obliged.
praise allowed list after 3 weeks.
Mayor Lordship, I
Yes.
beg to mention item number 17. Here, Lordship, all the respondents were supposed to file their affidavit.
We'll see, be there, we'll see.
Lordship.
Item number 1.
What is this?
Your Lordship, this is the revision petition and I have challenged the impugn order dated 1st March 2024.
We'll issue notice, that's all.
Uh,
Heard MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Your Lordship, Your Lordship, I have a humble submission that
Yes,
the hearing of this appeal is fixed on 16th of this month, Your Honor.
yes.
So if it is not stayed,
No, we find that the learned civil judge has rightly condoned the delay.
no,
So we'll just issue notice.
Your Honor may be pleased to issue at least interim order. Others, the whole process of filing this would be
See,
infructuous.
there are judgment of the Supreme Court where it says that if a technical consideration and the substantial justice is pitted against each other, the substantial justice has to be preferred.
Your Lordship, there is a discretion, but it has not been judiciously applied, Your Honor. And
Where is the order, Indian order?
order is on page 21, Your Lordship.
Page
Page 21, Your Lordship.
21.
Yes, Your Lordship. Page
21.
21.
Next bit. Challenge made in this revision petition is the order dated 01/03/2024, passed by the learned civil judge within bracket senior division, Lower Dibang Valley District, Rohing, by which the application for condonation of delay of how many days?
Your Lordship, it is 74 days.
74 days.
And Your Lordship, they
In
have
filing the connected appeal. What is the name of the number of the appeal?
Miss Case, appeal number 05/2023.
Huh?
05/2023.
Appeal. What is civil appeal or something?
Civil appeal number is 05
Civil appeal number 05 of
2023.
2023.
And this is challenged against the
Yes. Please stop. Next one, issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon respondent, sole respondent,
Yes, Your Lordship.
respondent, sole respondent by registered post with AD as well as usual process through within 3 days, within 4 days from today. Heard on interim prayer. on perusal of the grounds for condemnation of delay in filing the civil appeal number 5 of 05 of 2023 by the respondent, appellant oblique respondent, and also considering the settled position of law that when the technical consideration and the substantial justice are pitted against each other, the substantial justice has to be preferred, the prayer for prayer for stay of the impugned order dated 01/03/2024 is rejected. List after 4 weeks.
Bless you. May I please on?
Yes.
May I please on? So now by this petition, the petitioner is challenging two Kabang decisions which were passed ex parte. Kabang decision dated
Expert.
12/8/2023 and 13/9/2023.
This is application under 227.
227 civil revision petition. Ma'am. The dispute-
MSO and so learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners or petitioner?
petitioner, one petitioner.
One petitioner. Next para. By filing this application under Article 227 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has challenged the Keba decision dated 12/8/2023. Decisions, 12/8/2023 and 13/09/2023 passed by the Village Authority of Mirsiam Village, whereby the Keba decision of 16/01/2005 have been modified. On the ground that the village authority has no jurisdiction or the authority to modify the Keba decision dated 16/01/2005. List of issue notice returnable by 4 weeks.
Now, in the meanwhile,
The
there's an
learned
interim
counsel
period.
for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondent. All the respondent 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 were registered for with AD within 4 days from today. What interim order you want?
Stay on these orders, Your Honor, the
What
interim
is
orders.
stay?
Because they were executed without jurisdiction, Your Honor, after
You just
passage of
cannot stay
18
like
years.
this. The interim order, interim prayer shall be considered on the next returnable date after the service of notice. Because unless you file it, they file an execution petition. Has the execution petition been filed?
No, Your Honor,
Then we'll hear you on
next day.
after they appear, entered appearance.
Your Honor, obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, for the application in connection with case number 67,
Mr.
2025.
Science learned counsel for the petitioner. This is an application under section 439 of CMC over 1970 for granting of post arrest bail to the accused person, namely Mangal Masa. What is
No,
it?
no, he is the petitioner, Lordship.
Sangarang
Sangaram
Narjari,
Najari.
who has been arrested on 05/02/2020. Call for the case diary. Yes. Mr.
Long time, maybe give
Learned
commercial
National
quantity,
PP,
Lordship.
Mr. G. Tado, to produce the case diary. List after,
16.
list after a week.
Your lordship, this matter may not be taken up by your lordship.
Yes. Why?
Your lordship, on the last occasion, while withdrawing the criminal petition, your lordship has indicated that this matter is not to be placed before your lordship. It's pertains to the same affair, but here they have settled the matter. And I
Last
approach for
application
question.
was your lordship on merit. But now this application is,
Well, issue not,
Then
it's
pay.
okay.
Okay,
Again,
it's okay.
because this is by a different party. That other party is not involved here.
Same party, your
Same
lordship.
party. No.
Same party.
No. This is application by two.
yes.
Petition is number 1 and 2.
Same even in there also, your lordship, the earlier petition, same FIR.
Same FIR, but then in the before this court there, he's not a party.
Your lordship, if the same FIR and they have
No, in that the criminal petition or the FIR, maybe the person is involved, but then he was a party there.
no, your
He
lordship.
was a party there.
No, your lordship. It's not the party there.
He was a party there.
It was
Criminal petition.
Other person was made
Kabit Apang was a party,
pro forma respondent only.
whatever. Now here,
No,
anyway,
in criminal appeal number,
if learned additional AG has a objection. The list this matter before any other bench without hearing.
My lord, this application has been filed under section 482, criminal petition, joint
Yes.
petition, my lord,
Yes,
of CRPC to quash the FIR against petitioner number 2, 3, and 4, which is registered as Palin Police Case. number-
FIR.
Yes, my lord.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners,
Yes, petitioners.
this is an application under section 482 of CRPC. Praying for quashing of the FIR dated 21/04/2024. Registered as Palin PS this case being registered as Palin PS case number 11 of 2024 under section 195 capital A 447 506 34 of IPC 1860. Call for the scanned copy of the CD.
yes,
the-
yes, there.
the Mr. L. Ajitado, learned additional PP appears for state. List after
1 week, my lord.
this, no, Palin, that's not, list after 3 weeks. All right,
Obliged.
list after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged. This is also a joint application under 482. okay?
Section,
Section
same,
Three-
heard Mr.
380.
J. learned counsel for the petitioner.
Lordship, I
This
have a prayer
application
for-
under section so and so, 482 of CRPC, number 1970, praying for quashing of the criminal proceedings,
Yes, Lord.
in GR case number,
85 of 2014. Lord.
where it is 85 of
2014.
2014. Under section 380/34. IPC, 1860. On the basis of compromise,
Lordship.
on the basis of settlement. Call for the this pending before the what?
CGM, Teju, Lordship.
CGM Teju. What is that? Under section so and so. Pending before the learned CGM, Teju. On the basis of the compromise between the petitioners,
Petition
amongst the petitioners,
amongst the
petitioners. List. Call for the case, call for the scanned copy of trial court records. MS L. Hage, London, additional PP, appears enters appearance on behalf of the state. Yes,
Lordship,
pending production of the scanned copy of the trial court records, the proceedings of GR case number 85 of 2014, pending before the CGM, Lohit District, Arunachal Pradesh, is state.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Matter, similar matter, in fact, has been pending here.
Yes.
The facts of the case, whether I was the subcontractor under the respondent number 6,
Hmm.
and I have been executing the work to the extent of 49%. I have also completed the 49% of the available, the scope of work.
Hmm.
But for the delay or other factors, the contract got to be terminated by the respondent authorities. And with the observation in the termination notice that the liquidated damage, then the bank guarantee, etc., will be deducted, and also liquidated damage will be imposed. Now, I am claiming that since I am a subcontractor, and I have no contract with him, so therefore all the event
Will issue notice? That's all.
notice and an interim period, similar order, your lordship will kindly find at page 253.
253.
Lordship. The government has also agreed to that, The joint verification is necessary. How much work? Because my main prayer is to release the bills, madam. The relevant portion, the lordship will find page 257. Respondents also cannot have an objection to the joint verification, which is a condition, even under the agreement as well as the termination notice. So they have agreed to that there, I'm paying for a similar direction to have a joint verification.
This is by whom?
By one Petro Dumpam,
He's also a
he was
subcontractor.
also a subcontractor under the respondent number 6 to a contiguous plot package 3.
What about any joint verification?
My lord, as per the in view of as per this order, my lord, in fact, department has proceeded to my lord, the site, construction site for verification, my lord. And my lord, I am informed that the verification part is over, and that report is likely to be filed before this honorable court as in view of this order. And regarding my lord,
Including his case.
no, my lord,
That is package 3.
that is in respect of other package, my lord.
What about his case?
My lord, for that, my lord, I need the instructions from the department. At this stage, my lord, only notice may be issued, and my lord, the verification is required to be done. my
If
lord.
it's similar,
Similar ones.
how do we know?
I have stated in the detail,
Therefore, my lord, my submission is, my lord, I may be allowed to take some at least
Can we
instructions.
take it up next week? You obtain the instruction. If it is similar, we'll file the similar order. What do you say?
Otherwise also,
Notice may be
Because
issued. I
he's
think to be some-
disputing your statement.
Of
course,
if
Of course,
if not,
it's listed for the first time.
Lordship, may also observe, if not joint verification is done, that can also be done.
In this case, my lord, what happened, the Paris NIT was supposed to be called for money.
Hmm?
And
No, that has been called. I have also annexed that one.
Hmm.
But the dates are far away, so therefore the urgency has arisen before that work,
Then the same order will, similar order will pass.
if not jointly verified, then they proceed for the joint.
Or next week.
next week,
Let's
at least I'll
obtain
come
the
with the instruction
We'll pass the same order
with,
because since he doesn't have the instruction.
Lordship.
Third, Mr. PJ Seke, learned senior counsel assisted by Mr. KJ Seke, learned counsel for the petition. And Mr. No, then the petitioner, a subcontractor under Messrs. MS, M obligates Valecha Engineering Limited, comma. Respondents six hearing. Respondent number 6 hearing, comma. Claims to have executed and worked to the extent of 49% value of the contract price for construction and upgradation of Tato to Manchuka Road. Within bracket, design drainage kilometer 23.800 to kilometer 33.100 and existing drainage KM 24.800 to KM 36.000, comma. Package 2. Mr. The petitioner, by filing this application, has spread for the following reliefs. Page 44, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Issue notice returnable by 3 weeks.
Madam.
Or will not issue notice.
So should we
Fitting
put-
it next week.
For instruction on the interim,
Ah.
my lord,
Mr. M. Kato, Leonard DSJ, Leonard Council, Leonard DSJ. Enters appearance on behalf of the respondent number
1, 2, 3, and 4, my lord.
1, 2, 3, and 4. And press for sometime to obtain instruction
as to whether joint verification has been done.
as to whether joint verification in respect of the present matter has been carried out or not. Mr. MS. P. Sangita, London State Council enters appearance on behalf of respondable 5, 6, no,
Five.
5 only,
Yes, five.
5. Then we'll issue notice on the day only, next week only.
Next,
The learned, the prayer of the learned, no. The prayer of the learned DSJ is allowed
interim.
and the matter will listed after a week, listed on
16.
on 16/05/2024, so as to enable him to obtain instruction as to whether a joint verification has been carried out in this present matter. Considering that the similar matter in writ petition, huh?
Lord Chairman.
What writ petition?
This is 24 of 3
Read
AP
pet-
24,
Writ petition.
3 AP 24.
WPC, considering that in the similar matter is pending before this court. Similar matter being WPC 3 of 2024, filed by Messrs. Petro Dumpum Enterprise is pending before this court, wherein this court, where is that,
Page 257, order dated 22/4/24.
this court has
257.
This court, when ordered dated 22/04/2024, has directed to submit the verification report within 3 weeks. List on 16 so and so.
I'll come with instruction. Developer.
Yes. What is the status of trial? Stage of trial?
Prosecution witness, man. Prosecution witness.
Prosecution witness.
Yes.
What is to be done? Sir, tell us. Are you ready?
My senior is conducting the court in the court one.
Who is your senior?
Titagun.
Huh?
Titagun. Yes.
What is to be done today?
Let the matter be passed over. Your Honor.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the parties, list this matter after 3 weeks.
Even the fixed date may be given.
Oblige.
This I has been filed, my lord, to bring on record, my lord, certain facts, my lord, which has happened, my lord, subsequent to the filing of the writ petition.
You're supposed to file a written objection.
They have not
Yes.
filed.
You want to file?
Yes, I will file written objection.
You have filed
No, I will file.
for amendment.
Not for amendment.
No,
for
basically it's for amendment. IA is for amendment.
amendment.
My lord,
they-
the both I have said, because these are the facts which is on record.
Yeah, but-
Lordship has dealt this.
No,
case-
you have to decide
Lordship,
either of the two.
to bring on.
You
record,
want
my
bring
lord,
on records and if
Yes.
you want to amendment. And if you want
No.
to bring on record,
Lordship,
what objection you will file?
I am filing objection as because they have made a serious
See,
allegation of.
amendment, you may have, you may have some ground to object. But so far as bringing on
Bringing on
record,
record.
whether we accept it or not, does it make a difference?
They'll ample
How can you
opportunity to file
object to
affidavit.
that?
Lordship, I will file reply objection
And
regarding
you have
this
been
IS.
given, when you have sought for a time. Okay,
For the first
you are
time,
for respondent.
I am for respondent number
Respondent
7. Yes.
There, by these documents, you are out.
Lordship, I will file my objection. As
Anyway,
because,
in that case, we'll allow
yes, Lordship.
See,
objection.
my lord, while it
No, it's okay. You have filed it. Your leave is not required. You
Lordship.
have brought it. If you want to, because the nature of the, application you have made, it's like you want to amend the petition. That's all. So then maybe because of that reason.
Right, can be. my lord,
If you are not, pressing that prayer, we'll see.
Yes, yes. It may be, my lord, as a, my lord, bringing on
So
record.
you have to be very serious. It appears respondent is
Lordship, we will clarify by filing our written objection.
definitely will consider, but
Lordship,
it's very serious.
Lordship.
My
You
lord,
cannot be allowed to do that.
my lord will kindly consider one aspect regarding the.
Whatever the status,
Status.
construction,
Status,
They are continuing
re-
the work, my lord.
Yeah,
They
we
are continuing.
work is being continued by us.
your own risk. Huh?
Yes, almost, Lordship, that,
At your own risk and cost.
Lordship,
The papers which have brought in.
Lordship. We'll clarify
Brought on
that.
record.
We'll clarify
My
that
lord,
by filing
Appears to
objection.
be, I'm not, finally determining it. On the face of it, it appears to be something wrong.
Lordship.
Anyway, heard Mr.
My lord,
TJ
my lord, before that, my lord, this attempt of delay, your lordship will see, my lord, I am certain. my
We'll
lord,
give him 10 days only. 10 days.
Here you're already 7 days, my lord, sufficient time they have taken, and I'm just bringing, and what is these facts? They have been dealt with there. In
Of
the
course, you have not examined, we'll examine it.
That's what, my lord, what I am saying, my lord. In the writ appeal also, this court has observed that it requires an expeditious hearing by the honorable single judge in the writ petition.
You have taken it to Supreme Court also.
Also, and there also, my lord, they said, my lord,
So these are the things.
The similar-
We need to be, all of us need to be very careful.
Lordship, my lord.
Because in the process, who suffers? Public
Public,
suffers
public.
because of the fight between the contractors.
Lordship.
work has been under, but now, they will file, they have not filed affidavit in the main writ petition. This
We'll give them
subsequent-
10 days.
This subsequent event, my lord. This subsequent,
See, he's fairly saying that he's not pressing the prayer for amendment.
Lordship,
He's only want to bring on record. I think we cannot stop it.
Lordship. But since they are making serious allegation,
We can look into
so
it.
we will file objection.
Obviously.
By clarifying-
Writ petition itself.
Huh.
There's no, my lord, new allegations. These are already in record, my lord. These are paragraph 8, my lord, clearly established. My lord.
It's okay.
These are already there, my lord.
Heard Mr. P.J. Saikia, learned senior counsel assisted by Mr. K.J. R.S. Misra, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
Tita.
T. Taba, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. On behalf of respondent number 7.
7.
Press for is granted 10 days time to file objection to the IA. Although the learned senior counsel, Mr. P.J. Saikia, has submitted that he is not pressing for amendment of the writ petition. Rather, the application IA is for bring on record the documents which was not with the petition at the time of filing the writ petition. No, bring on record the subsequent events and the documents which he has obtained after filing of the writ petition. This matter after 10 days.
Lordship.
Pay for date on 20th, my lord.
Huh?
To fix on 20th, 20.
On 20, 10 days. Miss MSP Sangeeta, London State Council appears for respondent number 126. Have you filed the affidavit
Yes,
They have filed.
in the writ petition?
writ petition will be filed.
And you have no objection in IA?
No,
Amit said she has the state respondent appearing on behalf of respondent number 126.
6.
Submits that she has already filed the counter affidavit and she has no objection to the interlocutory application, present interlocutory application. Mr.
Well, considering the nature of the case, my lord, in the writ petition, may I pray the matter may be fixed for hearing also, my lord, on the day, my lord, the rule may be issued. the
No one
matter
say
may be
will
fixed
enlist it for admission hearing.
Admission.
The
It is today also
matter-
for admission.
let the matter be listed for admission hearing on 28/05/2020. It's better for you also.
Lordship.
This way, that way,
Yes,
otherwise tomorrow you may again suffer. If in case this court finds that you have not been properly awarded.
Lordship.
and my lord, I have further prayer with regard to the private respondent number 8, 9, and 10. So far as 8 is concerned, his service has been returned back after service, so that is complete. With regard to 9 and
For
10,
admission.
unserved, my lord, unserved and returned, and service in respect of 9 and 10 are
Final name.
still awaited. I pray that these 3 may be, my lord, start off, my lord, this respondents. My lord.
You file an application. File an application. File an application for striking. On that day will strike off and hear you.
My lord, in this, I have already, my lord, made such prayer
Prayer is there.
in the I, my lord.
Prayer is there.
Lakshmi. So, my lord, prayer may not be, I am still.
No, there's no prayer. No prayer.
Yes.
File an application. In that case, you just. No. Before that, list before that. Before the list, huh? That is, before that, you right? Mr. On the prayer of Mr. Vijay Sekhar. That will be in IA.
Yes, since
About
I
in IA and in writ petition you write. This will be in IA and the writ petition, but in separately in writ petition. And Mr. PJ so-and-so, same note. Respondent, PJ Gita for respondent number, State Council for respondent 126, Mr. for respondent number 7. Next para. Mr. PJ Sekhar, then senior counsel. Press for. I submit that the respondent number
8, 9 and 10.
8, 9 and 10 are not the necessary party. As the petitioner has no grievance against the said respondents. And therefore he prays for striking of the respondent number 8, 9 and 10 from the array of parties in the writ petition. Do you have any objection? No.
Regarding striking off, I have not.
The learned counsel for the respondents have no objection to this. Accordingly, the prayer of Mr. The prayer of Mr. The prayer of learned senior counsel is accepted. List accordingly, the name of the respondent number 8, 9, 10 and 8, 9 and 10 we strike off from the area of parties.
Deep reference.
Yes, sir.
Your Lordship,
Press steps you have taken.
uh,
You
Your
have not
Lordship,
taken.
in this case, Your Lordship, the petitioner side took the steps, but due to some fairness and threatening from the side of the respondent side, she unable to go to his respective homes. So give me as an opportunity to publication in the newspaper, because all the possibilities way I took, but he
Mr.
never
M. Bagra,
turned out.
counsel for the petitioner. Submits that the effort to the petitioner has made an effort to serve the notice by Dusty Mode to respondent number.
Only one respondent, sole respondent.
So not
husband.
respondent. Come on. However, he is not ready to refuse. He refused to accept.
Actually, she directly threatening that whether you appear anywhere, I'll surely kill you or give assault. For that reason, she unable to go. So that fairness is very risk. In the court also, prima facie very fair to hear attend any cases also.
However,
So
the
give a last chance as a publication. So that
respondent has. However, same could not be served to the some respondent. Therefore, he prays for notice, prays for steps for service of notice through paper publication. Praise the Lord. The petitioner is permitted to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent by paper publication in 2 daily newspaper. In which area?
in the Papampara, he decide.
Then what do we call 2 daily newspaper.
This happened.
Two popular, good newspaper in the district of Papumpare. Within 10 days,
After 2 weeks.
within
maximum.
10 days, this after, thereafter, affidavit shall be filed. Along with it. Copy of the papers, newspapers. List after, within 10 days, thereafter, so it's not. List after 4 weeks.
4 weeks too, if possible, after only 2 weeks.
Then we'll grant you 5 days. You publish in 5 days,
Okay.
3 weeks. 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Publication is maximum 10 days.
Publish 5
Yes.
days and then 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay, my lord. Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
So I am regretfully praying. I am realizing that for non-appearance on that day, it was not intentional, my lord. It was circumstantial. I was attending the call of nature at that moment when calling the maid. So my humble submission is that lordship may kindly restore my,
And Mr. Should we issue notice?
I have already given the notice to advocate of the.
Where he is?
He informed me over phone that I have no objection. Okay, you appear.
Or Mr. You, the learned counsel for the applicant, appellant. Please stop. Non appears for the respondent, claimant, despite service of notice to the learned counsel for the learned counsel. Please stop. Next parent. By filing this application, the petitioner, the applicant has sought for, has prayed for restoration of MSc appeal number 5 of 2023, which was dismissed for non-prosecution on 06/05/2024. Where is the ground? Where is this?
Ground, para 4, my lord. Here, page for paragraph 4 is it's my ground.
The Mr. Udeka, learned counsel for the applicant appellant, submits that submits that when the matter was listed on 06/05/2024, the learned engaged counsel was present in the High Court premises, in the court premises. However, due to call of the nature,
Yes, my lord.
the engaged counsel could not appear. Mr. The non-appearance was unintentional, rather due to circumstances as submitted above. Therefore, he prays for restoration of the MSc appeal number 5 of 20. Next paragraph. Consider the submission and the grounds taken. Consider the submission of learned counsel for the applicant appellant, as well considering the grounds taken in this present application. During present application to be German, GERMANE, I deem it appropriate to allow this application, Mr. Accordingly. The application, accordingly, the MSC appeal number 5 of 2023 be restored to file.
Okay.
I stands allowed to dispose of this in I think that this MSC appeal in view of the order, in view of the order passed in ISO and so today, the MSC so and so be restored to file. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks,
My lord.
3 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks,
4 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks, make it 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Obvious, my lord.
Yes,
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, this is an application under section, item number 14. 14. Some other case, sorry.
14.
Yes, your lordship. 14 LCR not received, your lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petition, Mr. And also Miss T at the learned additional PP for the state. Office note dated 069 0905 2024. Reflects this. LCR is TCR is yet to be received.
Lordship, this matter may be listed on admission column since the service has been completed.
Completed.
Yes.
List this matter for admission hearing
And Lordship, interim order.
after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks.
Yes, sir.
2 weeks or 3
3
weeks?
weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks.
Yes.
3 weeks.
Lordship, interim order.
Interim order process shall continue. Is there interim order?
Yes.
Yes, your lordship.
No proceeding.
The proceeding pertains to the present applicant's estate, your lordship.
Highly obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, this is a quasi application,
It's for
jointly,
listed for what?
Orders.
Lordship.
LCR received, your lordship.
List for admission hearing. All right.
All right, your lordship.
Yes,
Heard Mr. Swen, Tita Balan, the counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. T at the learned additional PP. LCR, trial court records, Scan copy of trial court records. Record is received. List for admission hearing after 2 weeks.
Lordship. Till then, the interim may be continued.
Interim is there.
Lordship.
Yes, your lordship.
Interim
Interim.
order passed earlier shall continue.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Your Honor?
Yes.
This case was first listed on 12/4/2024 for motion. However, on that day, it was not admitted because the informant was not made a party. Thereafter, we had filed for an IA and the informant has now been made a party and he has been arrayed as respondent number 2. So today, this application may be admitted and notice may be issued to the respondents. And interim prayer may be granted, Your Honor, for stay of criminal proceeding before the Sessions Court at Bombdilla. I number 38 of 2024 was filed. And wide order dated 26/4/2024.
You have filed the IA.
Yes, Your Honor.
Where it is?
I number
Another
38 of
file, another
2024.
It's not listed today.
No, it has already been disposed of. The respondent number 2 has been impleaded.
Impleaded.
Informant has been
Already
impleaded.
impleted.
Yes, Your Honor.
Then
And then today, this interim may be considered, Your Honor.
have you taken steps?
No. This
Then who
not-
is respondent number 2?
Informant.
Informant,
You have to
informant
take
is the,
steps. First, you have to take steps. There's no. The learned counsel petitioner has implemented as per the respondent number 2. Only respondent has been implemented. You have to issue. Notice has to be
yes,
issued.
yes, Your Honor. Notice has to be issued. Petition has to be admitted because on the first day it was not admitted. And notice was not issued because complainant was not made a party.
Have you amended course title?
Yes, Your Honor, I've amended.
Huh? Has it been amended?
It has been amended.
Hmm?
At page number 3, Your Honor, I've included respondent number 2.
See, after the implement is allowed, you will have to file an amended course title. Then only registry will correct. There
They
is a
have
system
corrected it, Your Honor. I've gone to the
where
person.
it's not here, it's not corrected. This is okay. Just
The main petition.
Karnakeshwar Sharma.
Sharma.
Okay, it's corrected.
Yes, Your Honor.
And then in that case, you have to issue notice.
Yes, Your Honor.
Notice has not been issued.
Notice has not been issued.
Then heard MS Soinso, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also Mr. Jita, learned counsel for the. They issue notice to the, in the main case, huh? This is only. They issue notice to the newly implemented respondent number 2, namely Sri Karnakeshwar Sharma.
Sharma.
The learned counsel for the petitioners to take a step for service of notice upon respondent number 2 by registered post within 4 days from today.
Your Honor,
Yes,
in the
after two
meantime, interim,
You will,
the criminal proceedings may be stayed because the next date for examination of witnesses, I think is listed in the first week of June. So on the last date, it was not, interim was not considered because the informant was not made a party. So now since he has been made a party, then the interim may be granted.
no, in that case, you should have got it, ask for issuance of notice on that day only.
Yes,
did-
opening
I did
hard
ask.
has to be
Okay, unless
given.
it is amended.
I asked
Anyway,
and I
What
pressed
is
that,
what is the
Your Honor, in this case, the
stage of,
victim-
Consider some charge frame already. Charge already
have you
framed.
received any, the records?
no, Your Honor, the records also need. to be
LCR
called.
was not called for yet.
Okay.
And LCR may be called.
But
the
Your Honor, the
scanned
victim has
copy
been
of the-
dropped in this case.
Trial court records be called for. Pending, in the pending production of the scanned copy of the TCR, the proceedings of
Interim may be considered after perusing the LCR.
proceedings of JR case number 01 of 2018, pending before
The Sessions Court, Bomdila.
Sessions Court, Bombdila. Is shall remain state.
DPO.
What is this, sir?
Your Lordship, I was supposed to file an affidavit. I
What-
have prepared, I have sent it for vetting. I need some time to file it on court.
Mr. B. Taipudia, learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr.
B. Senapati.
You are for?
I am for respondent number 4. Need to-
then
Ma'am,
it's-
it's-
One into your.
MS P. Pangum, London State Council appears for respondent number, listing for respondent number 1 and 2. You have filed the affidavit. Mr. Who phrase for some time to file affidavit in opposition. Mr. This Senapati, London Council for the London Council, standing council or?
I'm the counsel for
Council for the respondent number
4.
4. Has also prayed for some time to file affidavit in opposition. But the London State Council, London Council for the response are granted 3 weeks time to file
Yes.
affidavit. List after 3 weeks.
Blessed.
Over. What is the hearing? All adjourned. You should not have granted, I think one matter could have.